regular anytime snack parfait or a breakfast parfait. So we are doing two flavors. You were asking which is your favorite, right? Which is my favorite? My favorite is the pani puri. It is awesome, and I'll ask you after you eat it. So here I've created short glasses of the parfait, anytime snack parfait, and there is so much to do with them. What I've done is I've soaked the chia seeds in Greek yogurt overnight and then mixed the paste in it and pipe them into the glasses. You can do them in ramekins, you can do them in bowls, any which ways you want. You can use so many other flavors. And they're good to go for your dessert tables, they're good to go as a snack for your kids, evening snack, anytime snack when they want something nice to eat. So I'll first do the pani puri one. Here what I have done is, again here my ratio of the Greek yogurt with chia seeds to the paste is 50-50. You can alter it as per your taste. I haven't added any salt, any masala, any sweetener to the Greek yogurt with chia seeds. So I'm going to just pipe this pani puri yogurt into the short glasses. We were discussing various options of how to do this, and here what I do is I top it with some bundi, the namkeen bundi, the regular Bikaner or Haldiram or your home cooked bundi, and then with some chaat masala on top, and it will satisfy the craving to have golgappas if in case you can't go out and eat golgappa. And another way to serve for your holy guests is just take some golgappas, pipe this in it, put some boiled potato, put some boiled chana, maybe some yogurt on top or chutney on top, papdi, anything at all. You could do a whole bowl of it and stick some papdi into it, and it's the color of the spread. Good. The shots, cheers. Yeah. So let's see you taste these. Yeah. Next I'm doing is like a breakfast parfait or a dessert parfait. You can, as I said, you can do so much. So I've done the same with the strawberry. Because strawberries are in season, loaded. Every thela, every shop is loaded with strawberries. So we decided to do a strawberry parfait. So again the same way, like again the Greek yogurt or the hung curd with cream for this, and I have added a little less of the strawberry because in the pani puri we still had salt to balance the meter. So it totally depends on your personal choice how sweet you want it. So this is like 60-40, 60 being the Greek yogurt.
60 of yogurt and
40 of the paste. Again, it's personal choice. It's personal choice. So to make it into a breakfast parfait, I'll use some muesli over here and stick some strawberries, fresh strawberries, and you're good to go. Okay, so we have the strawberry parfaits here.